How old is she?
She's going
6 months? Nice. Okay. So what's her pedigree? She look real nice. Hey, get it out.
AustralianShepherd.
Ooh, nice. Okay. She a nice one too. All right. And how old you said she was?
Huh?
How old you said she was? Come on.
6 months.
6 months? Oh, that's what's up. All right. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. AustralianShepherd. Little GermanShepherd, AustralianShepherd look like to me. That's nice. Keep your dogs on go. You know she care about her dogs. Like she's 6 months. I'm picking her up. I ain't having that. Hey, I don't blame you. You never know sometimes, man. You never know. But Bosco, he's well trained. He's good to go. You know what I mean? He get hyped when he see dogs.